Gotta keep on cubing. Gotta keep on cubing.
Here, robot, solve my cube.
He did it! Time! Time!
Oh, yes. And at an official time of 4 hours, 29 minutes, and 52 seconds, poor Robot Jones has come in last place in the cube competition.
We lost!
Last place?
Lost.
Oh my goodness gracious me.
Last place?
Yes, those Yagman brothers won hours ago.
But thanks for trying.
Seriously? We didn't even finish our...
Oh, I almost forgot. You still get a ribbon for trying. Bravo, Mr. Jones.
Hey, folks! Welcome to another episode of... That's Amazing! We have the winners of the East Coast Wonder Cube Cube-Off, Lenny and Denny Yogman!
That's Yogman, you twit! Hello, America! We'd just like to say hello to our good friend Robot Jones. A real dork loser!
Good one.